Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Caudabe Sheath case in the house. This is the button cover version, which means it has the dedicated button over the action button. It's not a cutout. It's going to cost you 40 bucks. I'll put the link down in the description. Caudabes are some of the best cases out there that you can buy. And I feel like for 40 bucks, it's a pretty good investment as well. But here is the packaging. I've always been a big fan of Caudabe packaging, matte black, everything. It's got the Sheath branding there. It does say it's drop tested to 2 meters or 6.6 feet. So very good drop protection, MagSafe compatible, and a texturized grip, which we will talk about in a minute. It does say minimalist perfection right there. Has some other minimalist perfection stuff and all that. And Caudabe's committed to green initiatives. Got some social media stuff there, and then nothing on the sides here. But so the way to get it out is you just kind of pull it, and then we're greeted with more matte black, and then we just gotta lift this up, and there is the case. So you do get a 1-year warranty, 30-day return and exchange, and they reply within 1 business day, which is a pretty nice little thing to, you know, kind of gloat about, because a lot of companies don't. And then once we get that out, I'm going to put that to the side. We do get a little Caudabe little pamphlet here just showing off some of their other products. But let's go and get that pushed to the side and get to the actual main attraction. So here is the case, and it's pretty nice. It's a Caudabe. It's a sheath case. It's great. Inside we do have this very nice material that's going up against your phone. It does say genuine Caudabe product made with Shocklight, which is their material that's really helping with that drop protection. As you can see here, we got the MagSafe magnets there, and it does say Caudabe Minimalist Perfection there. So let's grab the actual phone here. Let's pop it in. Install couldn't be any simpler. And that is all she wrote, guys. And there it is. It looks great. Really, really love the texturized grip on these Caudabe Sheath cases, especially too with the synthesis case, which I'll do a video about, like, you know, comparing the two. But this right here is a fantastic case. If you haven't felt a sheath case before, get one, guys. It feels great. As you can see here, we do have a little pop of like some higher gloss black right there, so versus the matte black here. And then if we kind of get a little bit closer, you can see we do have a nice lip that is going around the camera lenses, so they're nicely recessed in there. So very, very clean looking. We do have some Caudabe branding here at the bottom as well, so very, very simplistic. Now on the sides, we can see once again that higher gloss black. It just kind of goes all the way around, so that's the look there. But the buttons do have it covered around it a little bit, but a nice raised button in that same texturized grip material. And then if we go to the bottom here, you're going to be able to see a nice cutout here for the actual USB-C charging port and our speakers. And then if we go to the sides here, same thing. You can see the high gloss black, buttons dedicated over everything here as well. There is a plus and minus just in case you forget which one's which. And then that's the top down view. So once again, very slim, very minimalist look here. And then if we kind of flip it over to the front here, you're going to see that we do have some raised lips, but they are very slim. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here as well, and it is playing very nicely with it. And then if you look at it from the top down view, you can see how slim this sheath case is. It does not add a ton of bulk at all. Now, one thing I will point out as I'm holding it in the hand for the first time is it looks like they did pay attention a little bit to the more rounded edges of the new 15 Pro. Obviously with the 14 Pro, it was very sharp and square, but it doesn't feel that sharp in the hand. So that is a good thing, because that's one thing I'm nervous about with some of these phone cases out there, is that some of them aren't really focusing on making it a good, smooth experience in the hand. And this one seems to be doing the job just fine. But like I said, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here. It isn't affecting it at all. And that's the minimalist kind of look up the top for the speaker cutout. So nothing crazy going on. So very, very simple. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test like I always like to do on my channel. So face down, pretty much most cases lately have been passing with flying colors, but back down is a little bit different story with pretty much every iPhone 15 Pro case. So obviously got some shaking going on opposite corner of the camera bump, which is to be expected, but is what it is. Now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. Let's start with the power button first. Very clicky. Buttons up and down. So the down button is a little bit more clickier than the top, but it's a different type of click. Still very tactile regardless. And then the action button works flawlessly there. So no issues at all. So yeah, I would say that the buttons are actually pretty tactile and responsive. So no complaints in that department either. So far, so good. But last but not least, let's test that MagSafe capability. So let me grab my MagSafe charger. All right, so I'll grab the MagSafe charger here. So let's slap it on. So as you can see in here, it is MagSafe charging compatible. So we are good to go with that. And one thing I love about Caudabe cases is the magnets are very strong. So no issues at all with them. You can use your phone with any MagSafe accessory in your vehicle, and the MagSafe magnets are not interfering with any type of Qi wireless charging. So if you have a Qi wireless charging pad in your home or wherever, it's gonna charge wirelessly just fine. So very much appreciate the strength of the magnets and just having the MagSafe capabilities. That's always a big thumbs up in my book. But with this case, guys, this is kind of one of those cases that it seems to get a lot of traffic as far as in my comments and whatnot. People love these sheath cases, and I do too. I really, really do. I've absolutely enjoyed Caudabe's phone cases over the years, but all in all, guys, it's a classic. It's a simple look. It's black. I like it. I will be doing a review of their blue one here in just a bit, but I really am enjoying this black one. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.